No, I did not disappoint the public because, in fact, I established today that there were anomalies. Inamin nila na yung bidding nila did not conform to the law. They tried to go about it, but yung mga ng mga senador natin, lalo na si Senador Sergio Osmeña at Senador Coco Pimentel, ay nakikita po natin na may katibayan po yung allegation natin. Ang importante dito ngayon ay number one, na-establish natin na nilabag ang Republic Act 9184 at sabi nga ni Senator Pimentel, tila po pag yung sinasabi lang may provision for additional 2 floors, pag hindi na ginawa yun, overprice yung building.
So you talk about irregularities in the bidding, but as far as overprice is concerned, you think there is?
Yes, yun nga, sinabi ni Senator Pimentel, di ba?
Can you say that, sir, categorically that there is?
There is overpricing, because yung sinasabi nila, they have provisions for additional 2 floors, malabo po yun. Dahil wala naman silang poste na tinatayo na load bearing. Yung poste po yung existing na for the 2 floors, no? Tsaka po yung dalawang po ang maaring nangyari diyan kung saan sila kumita. Dahil po sinasabi nila na may provision sila na dagdag na 2 floors ay yung foundation po under sa kanilang plano. Siyempre sasabihin na marami tayong kailangan ng mga pilote. Sa pagkaalam ko kanina, sa pagkarinig ko kanina, mga 100 million yung pilote lang.
What do you want to happen now, sir? You want the Senate probe to provide the evidence for the other?
Yes, I will I will formally ask the Blue Ribbon Committee to subpoena certain documents and subpoena certain individuals na makakadagdag ng linaw sa mga sinasabi ko na overpricing at mga anomalies.
So to provide the evidence you do not have?
Yes. Tsaka po yung sa plunder, ang ano dito is, once I establish, at parang doon na po patungo na may overprice. So ang overprice po, ang ibig sabihin may malversation of public funds. Ano ba ang plunder? Na pag yung malversation, yung ninakaw sa kaban ng bayan ay mag-exceed ng 50 milyong piso, ay tinuturi na po yan na plunder. Now, sasabihin nila, wala kang patunay na itong individual, ako ay nakatanggap ng 50 million. Conspiracy po yung theory dito Kung sino man po ang kubita doon at nag-exceed ng 50 million, lahat po sila guilty under the conspiracy theory. The act of one is the act of all.
What's your biggest success, you think, sir, today from this hearing?
Well, I forced them to, the hearing, forced them to admit that there were infirmities, like tulad dun sa architectural design na na-allege ko po sa aking complaint na walang bidding, inamin nila, donated. Pero totoo naman yan, to cover up na lang yan ng mga failure nila na magkaroon ng bidding.